Let's see how T50 reacts when he wakes up with trash in his face.
Huh? Wait. How did I get my head in a pile of smelly banana peels? Ew. Hey. You're not allowed to eat out of the trash can. You trash can.
Get out of the way, you stupid cat.
Don't you dare call me stupid or you're going to jail.
No one opposes me. No one.
Oh crap. I totally misjudged her. No, please don't hurt me. I'm sorry. Not really. I just need to tell him I still need his help. If I do, I'll go back to jail. And that's not what I need at this point. I just woke up with one head in a freaking trash can. In second thought, I'll just leave you there.
I'll get him out.
No you won't. You're going to jail. A little help here?
No.
I'll find a way out here, you big jerk.
Then we'll just bring you back.
But, if there is no place to bring me to, from the eye of the storm, from the whistle of the wind, I summon, or else your power lightning.
What the heck was that? Oh no. Fury Bolt is gone. I think she summoned that lightning bolt. I really did misjudge her.
I think we should shelter inside for a while.
I'll study the books we got from Mod Cell Library. I'll turn on the TV. This is a bad warning. Fury Bolt's power has been proven to be incontainable, even by concrete walls and metal bars. She just exploded the entire jail, and now other criminals have escaped into the area. The explosion also harmed a nearby tornado siren, Hurricane. Hurricane has been rushed to Mega Blaster's repair shop, as his circuits were completely fried. We will try to get you more information, as it is received. In the meantime, if you see Fury Bolt, keep your distance. Oh crap. This is terrible. I found something important. To restore Thorguard's courage and fix her horns, we need to mix a bottle of Tempest Color and some Mentos. Then we catch the foam in a cup and mix in a sort of substance called Chemical Z.
But where will we get Chemical Z?
Lucky for us, I happen to have some. Why do you have Chemical Z in the first place? That doesn't matter. Let's get the other stuff before it's too late.